My name is Diane Garcia, and I am the DMV Title Clerk at Adriana's Insurance DMV Department. In this next video, I'm going to go ahead and show you what are the benefits of doing things online to save you time, money, and stress. So one of the things that a lot of people don't realize is that you can actually go online and do a lot of your DMV services. Now, what is one benefit of doing that? You do not have to go to the DMV office and wait in line. You don't have to ask for your day off. You don't have to look for a babysitter. You don't have to stress out. It's all in the comfort of your home. All you need is your laptop or your phone, and you can pay your fees. You can renew stuff. You can do title changes. You can do all of this. So one of the many services that an online DMV can help you with is your registration renewal, renewing your tags. We can do replacement plates. DMV online can also do suspensions, release of liabilities. You can get a quote for an out-of-state transfer title or to register a vehicle from another state into California. Now, if all of that sounds a little confusing, here at Adriana's Insurance, we can take that stress from you and we can provide you with all the services without you having to mingle with the internet and all the buttons that can be a little confusing. Give us a call here at Adriana's and we can definitely assist you with that process. So if by any chance you come across a question that you have and you cannot find the answer to that online, you can always dial Adriana's Insurance DMV department number and somebody will always be there to assist you and guide you through so you can get that process done smoothly and efficiently. You can always go to adrianasinsurance.com. It'll guide you over to us at the DMV department with Adriana's, and we can assist you with processing anything that has to do with any DMV service. So just to summarize, again, you can do DMV services online. It is free of charge. You can go ahead and reinstate your registration. You can do title transfers. But if by any chance you do have any questions or you prefer to go ahead and call us here at Adriana's, we can assist and provide you with information to guide you to get that process going smoothly and efficiently. My name is Diane Garcia with Adriana's DMV department. Please give us a call and we will see you in the next video.